Welcome! If you're looking to remove your Pinterest About section on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through each step to make the process quick and easy, so you can update your profile just the way you want. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Pinterest. Make sure you're logged in with the account you want to edit. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find the gear icon. This is your gateway to all your account settings. Click on the gear icon. This will open up the settings menu where you can manage everything about your Pinterest account. From here, look for the option that says Edit Profile. Go ahead and click on it. Now you're inside your profile settings. Here, you'll see all the details you've added to your Pinterest profile, including your About section. If you want to remove your About, simply click into the text box where your About information is written. Delete all the text so the box is empty. Once you've cleared out your About section, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the settings window, and click it. Your About section will now be removed from your Pinterest profile. And that's it. You've successfully removed your About section on Pinterest using your PC, following the latest update. If you ever want to add new information, just repeat these steps and type in your new details. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy guides on managing your social media profiles. See you in the next video.